I see a brightly burning star, early morning sun on a represent who the hell we are. Whether you come from near or afar, each and every one of us are making out the part of the energy of the universe. Channeling the music or the rushing out of mirth, following the flow to express it in words. Alive on the vibe as the word gonna turn. Oh, I see a brightly burning star, early morning sun to represent who we are. Whether you come from near or you come from afar.
The Community Energy Plan is a grassroots effort, and the city has responded to what the community wants.
The community energy planning process was just something that people were talking about, and we got into it early off.
We're talking about hundreds of people living in Yellowknife who've all had an input to this plan.
It's essentially a stamp saying that this is a direction that we want to go.
The other thing that impresses me about them is that they went out and adopted the bylaw in terms of the EnerGuide 80 for new houses.
Within the next 3 years, with the phased-in implementation of our building bylaw, we will have probably the highest building standards in Canada.
And now you've seen where the city has put in a wood pellet boiler at the swimming pool this year, which will probably reduce their emissions by 19 to 20%.
We're expecting to save 850 tons of greenhouse gases annually.
So they're 5 years ahead of schedule on meeting their greenhouse gas emissions reductions targets. That's amazing.
When we started in looking at wood pellet stoves, it was like the eureka.
We're looking at the geothermal project, looking at the viability of using heat from Con Mine within the community.
So we partnered up with the University of British Columbia, took a look at the Con Mine, and the potential is huge.
Through the investment in the feasibility study, we're learning that it's in the ballpark.
You can access it from anywhere in the community because this is the city where the gold is paved with streets.
We've been talking a little bit about the power of one individual changing everything, and I think with the city of Yellowknife, it's an example of the power of many.
In general, the response has been, that's great, what can we do next?
We face the harshest conditions of almost anywhere in Canada, so why should we not be in the, taking the lead and showing the folks down south how to do things?
We're doing good, and that's what the people want, and it's a positive environment that way.
I see a brightly burning star, early morning sun to represent